So hello guys and welcome back to SOP Academy. So there are two new amazing opportunities. The first one is from Google Careers and the second one is from Dell Technologies. So first we'll look at the notification from Google Careers. So they are looking to hire technical solutions engineer. The domain for which they are hiring is networking and Google Cloud domain. The qualifications required are you need to have a bachelor's degree in science, technology, engineering, mathematics or any equivalent degree. So BE, BTech, MTech, BCA, MCA, BSc all are eligible for this post. You need to have experience in reading or debugging code. The languages you must know are Java, C, C++, .NET, Python, Shell, Perl, JavaScript, and you need to have experience in advocating for customer needs. So there are preferred qualifications which are mentioned here. So there are various fundamentals, networking fundamentals, SQL database languages and various other technologies are mentioned here. So you can come to this website. I have provided the link in the description and you can read all the preferred qualifications from here. So about the job, the Google Cloud team companies, schools and governments seamlessly make the switch to Google products. So you listen to the customer and swiftly problem solve technical issues. So your main work is to solve the technical issues to show how our products can make business more productive, collaborative and innovative. You have to work closely with a cross-functional team. So you have to work closely with cross-functional team and of web developers and system administrators. Okay, and not to mention a variety of both regional and international customers. So these are all the main job roles and the responsibilities are mentioned here. Like you need to manage the customer's problem through effective diagnosis, resolution or implementation, develop an in-depth understanding of Google's product technology and underlying architecture by troubleshooting, and you need to identify and resolve future challenges quickly, as act as a consultant and subject matter expert. So this is the main point, consultant and subject matter expert for internal stakeholders in engineering, sales and customer organizations. And this is all from them. The location they are providing is Bangalore, which is in Karnataka, India. So you can apply through this apply button here. So the next opening is from Dell Technologies. So this is the careers page of Dell. So they are looking to hire for the role of software engineer 1. The location will be Bangalore, India. Now let us look at the job role and specifications. So you will be joining as a software engineer on our engineering development team in Bangalore. What you will achieve? So as a software engineer, you will have the responsibility for developing sophisticated systems, software basis the customer's business goals, needs and business environment, creating software solutions. So these are the job roles. You need to develop, test and integrated code for new or existing software while following source code on revision control. The second one is troubleshoot software reliability and performance issues. You need to review requirements, specifications and designs, developing and implementing test for product quality and performance assurance. So the fourth one is you need to assist with development and review of technical end user documentation and drive idea generation of new software products or for the next version of an existing product. So the essential requirements are mentioned here. This is an entry level position. You need to know debugging skills. You need to have good understanding of hardware as well as software interactions. You need to have first-hand experience in server, storage, networking and client technologies. You need to have an insight in software architectures and applications. Good knowledge of Linux OS and OS customization is preferable, and all other requirements are mentioned here. So you can come and read them in detail. The requirements are you need to have first-hand experience gathered during an internship, student job or related professional role. So that means you will have an advantage if you have done an internship or you have worked in a company or in a related professional role. So this is all they have mentioned. This is the job ID, and the apply now button is on the bottom of the screen. You can come to this website. I have mentioned the link in the description and apply for this job role. So that is all for this video. We will meet soon with another video. Thank you very much.